I welcome everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the cloud deployment model. That is, we have already know for an organization taking a cloud services in three forms. That is, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So, by taking any one of the service, they have to deploy some models. So we are going to see what are the deployment models in cloud. That is, there are four types of deployment model: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid, and followed by community cloud. Let us discuss one by one. These are the deployment models of cloud. First is the public cloud. As the name suggested, when it comes for a public, it can be accessed by anyone. It has a open access for each and every organization. Because we are discussing about the organization or a single person who is going to have a cloud services over the deployment of public cloud. So the public cloud services are maintained by cloud service providers and cloud service brokers. So in what type the organization is going to pay? Only the amount they are using they have to pay. Whether they need any set of software or hardware to access the public cloud or to get the services from the public cloud, no. Only thing they can take, only thing they need a web browser and an internet connectivity. They can access the public cloud services from any of the devices, local device like thin and thick client and mobile laptop or desktop. Any device which has a web browser and internet connectivity can be a public cloud client. Some of the popular public cloud services are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google App Engine, Salesforce. Advantages of public cloud. The main advantages is we are not going to set up any infrastructures and we are not going to spend any money for accessing a public cloud. So no training is required to access a cloud service, and user can easily get multiple services under a single self-service portal. User has a choice to compare and select between the providers. Disadvantages: when it comes for the recovery of data, it is really very expensive because the user will not know in which location the data is located and how we are going to back up or recover the data. Why? Because it is on the public, so everyone will have a access on it. Next, we are going to see the private cloud. As the name suggested, private, it is designed for a single organization and it can be used by an intranet connection, and it can be used by the employees and the members of who are the single organization. For the same organization, members is only going to get the cloud services in private cloud form. This type of cloud services are hosted on intranet. Therefore, the user who are connected on the intranet can get access to the service. It also provides a good level trust and privacy to the users because the entire number of employees working in the organization is only going to have a service in the private cloud. The well-known private cloud platforms are OpenStack, OpenNebula, Eucalyptus, VMware, Private Cloud, etc. Advantages: because if there is an organization which consists of 100 employees, only the 100 employees going to access the private cloud. So automatically the speed of access is very high and it is more secure because it is designed only for the organization and it is handled by the local administrator who is working in the organization, and it is customized as per organization needs. So it is easy to manage than public cloud, whether the public cloud n number of organization will be using the services. Disadvantages: because the cost will be high because we will be doing the entire cloud setup for a single organization and we require some administrator for managing and maintaining the service, and the scope of scalability is very limited. When we come for the hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud. It provides a flexibility to migrate from public to private and vice versa. The most of the favored in IT industry because of these eminent features like customized security, high throughput, scalability, disaster recovery, easy backup, and replication across clouds, high availability and cost efficient. The, the popular hybrid clouds are AWS with Ecliptus, AWS with VMware Cloud, Google Cloud with Nutanix. There will be some limitation in hybrid cloud, that is vendor lock-in solution. That is, the vendors, the organizations or the customers or the cloud consumers are in the vendor lock-in solution. It means they are locked in an solution because where the hybrid is providing both public and private, and the easy migration will be there for an organization. So they will be in an locking position, that is vendor lock-in solution. Next we go for the community cloud. Why we are going for the community cloud? The community cloud is each and every organization will have a same set of goal. That set of organization will be using the community cloud. The community cloud is a combination of one or more private, public or hybrid cloud. You take an example, there are various universities. Each and every university goal is to give the undergraduate degree, postgraduate degree, and PhD degrees for the students who are having the education in the university. So each and every university has been working for a same goal. So that types of universities or that type of organization will go for the community cloud. The infrastructure of community cloud is shared by several organizations with have specific community with common security compliance objectives, which is managed by third party organization or managed internally. The well-known community clouds are Salesforce, Google Community Cloud, etc. As end, in the if we are going to summarize, we have seen the private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. I will give an example. If you want to move from one place to another place, if you want to come from Trichy to Chennai, if you take an public transport where it can be used by many passengers, it is similar to public cloud. When you come by your own car, you have to invest and you have to buy a car and you have to make some driver and you have to come to a Trichy to Chennai. It is called a private cloud. When you rent a call taxi from Trichy and you are going to reach a destination by Chennai, where you are going to